Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how the autopilot is working. So firstly, we have to push this button over here. And you can see over here two dots in the menu. Let me show you again. Yeah, these two dots appear over here. This is the Renault Megane III from 2013. And now the autopilot is activated. Cruise control says over here, cruise control. This is my car. This is from 2013. Lovely car. It has the 1.5 diesel engine that has amazing fuel consumption. Most of the mileage is done in the city, and even if I'm doing that, the consumptions are really good. I can show you over here. It's 5 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers. So this is really good. And this is calculated for my last distance. 240 now. My last 825 kilometers. Oh, it's a very good consumption. The VW Touareg that I have in the city, the average consumption is 15 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers. So this is very good consumption. Now we have to wait until we're out of town, where we can check how the cruise control is working. This model from 2013 has the stop option. So when I stop the car, the engine stops as well automatically. And it has a button over here that allows you to deactivate this option.
Lucrări pe drum.
So if you want to use the cruise control, you have to push the start button that is over here besides the front seat. And after that, when you're reaching the speed that you want to have, just push this plus button over here on the wheel, and now it's set it at 44 kilometers per hour. If you want to decrease or increase the speed, just push the plus button or the minus button. And now I'm pushing the plus button and it's 56 kilometers per hour. Taking the feet from the accelerator, and look how it goes. Really nice. I really like this option. This is a very old option, but in the past I didn't use it so much, but now I'm using it every day. Yes, I'm just pushing the plus and minus button and controlling the speed. When you want to deactivate this option, just push a little bit the brake, and automatically the cruise control is off. Like in this situation, I had to press the brake a little bit. My option went off, but still I can use it whenever I want. So I'm going to change the lane now. And now I'm going to press plus again, and it's set it at 60 kilometers per hour. This option is very interesting because it helps me a lot when I'm having long drives. So it relaxes me. I don't have to worry about the acceleration anymore. I'm just pushing the plus button, select the speed that I want to have, and the car is driving by itself. So yeah, the ambulance is overtaking us. I just decreased the speed and I had to push the brake. This goes really nice. Because this is a manual car, when you're changing gears, you have to press plus button to select again the speed that you want. So this is the only, let's say, downside, because this is a manual gearbox. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.